Hello, I am Denise, one of the presenters of the Enlightenment Project. We are pleased that you have decided to join us on this extraordinary journey through enlightenment. Let's recap. In our prior video, part 2 of quantum theory, we explored tunneling. We covered how it affects our daily lives with technology. Well, in today's video, part 3, we explore quantum in the natural world and how quantum tunneling plays a fascinating role in processes that are essential to life and the universe, and we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey.
Have you ever stood under a sky, a vast expanse stretching out above you, filled with an ethereal glow, painted with swirling greens and purples, a cosmic ballet unfolding right before your eyes? These aren't just ordinary lights. They're a spectacle of nature's artistry. Watching the northern or southern lights ripple overhead, it's a mesmerizing experience, a dance of light that seems to defy explanation. The way they move, shift, and change is truly captivating. Auroras are among the most stunning natural spectacles on Earth. They are a reminder of the power and beauty that exists in our universe. But while their beauty grabs our attention, drawing us in with their vibrant colors and graceful movements, there's so much more to them than meets the eye. Their physics is even more mind-blowing. The science behind these lights is a journey into the bizarre and fascinating world of quantum mechanics. Now, auroras themselves aren't caused directly by quantum tunneling, although quantum mechanics plays a crucial role in the processes that lead to their formation. Instead, they're the result of charged particles from the sun, a constant stream of energy and matter emanating from our star. Crashing into Earth's atmosphere, these particles collide with the gases that make up our air, creating the stunning light displays we know as auroras, guided by our planet's magnetic field. This magnetic field acts like a shield, deflecting most of these charged particles, but some are funneled towards the poles, creating the auroral ovals. But here's where it gets interesting. The quantum connection begins to emerge. The behavior of those particles, those tiny bits of matter hurtling through space, isn't governed by the simple rules of classical physics that we experience in our everyday lives. Is shaped by the strange rules of quantum mechanics. At the atomic and subatomic level, things behave in ways that seem utterly bizarre and counterintuitive. That's right. The very particles that create these magnificent light shows are subject to the laws of quantum mechanics. The shimmering curtains of light you see overhead, the vibrant colors and dynamic shapes, are all influenced by the quantum realm, are influenced by the wild and unpredictable nature of the quantum world. It's a connection that highlights the interconnectedness of everything in the universe, from the smallest particles to the grandest spectacles. Let's go deeper, beyond the auroras and into the heart of a star. Quantum mechanics isn't just about cool light shows in the sky. Its influence extends far beyond our planet, shaping the very fabric of the cosmos. It's actually powering the sun itself. The sun, the source of all life on Earth, relies on quantum mechanics to generate the energy that sustains us. Imagine the core of the sun, a seething cauldron of unimaginable heat and pressure, packed with atoms stripped of their electrons, forming a plasma. For the sun to shine, to radiate the light and warmth that makes life on Earth possible, a specific process must occur within its core. Hydrogen nuclei have to smash together and fuse, releasing energy. This process, known as nuclear fusion, is the engine that drives the sun. But here's the problem. A significant obstacle stands in the way of this fusion process. They're all positively charged, so they repel each other. Hard. This electromagnetic repulsion creates a barrier that prevents the nuclei from getting close enough to fuse. At the temperatures in the sun, which are incredibly high, but still not high enough to overcome this repulsion through classical physics alone. Classical physics says these nuclei shouldn't be able to get close enough to fuse. According to the laws of classical physics, the sun shouldn't be shining at all, yet the sun burns on. Defying the predictions of classical physics, the sun continues to shine brightly, day after day, year after year. The secret? Quantum tunneling. This seemingly impossible phenomenon is the key to unlocking the sun's energy. Quantum tunneling is this wild phenomenon, a bizarre consequence of the wave-particle duality of matter. Where a particle can break through a barrier it shouldn't be able to, seemingly passing through a solid wall, almost like a ghost walking through a wall. It's a concept that challenges our everyday intuition, but it's a fundamental aspect of the quantum world. In the Sun, this means hydrogen nuclei can tunnel through their mutual repulsion, bypassing the electromagnetic barrier that would otherwise prevent them from fusing. Fuse and release the energy that lights up our days. Without this quantum trick, the Sun would be a cold, dark void. Without quantum tunneling, the Sun's core wouldn't be able to sustain nuclear fusion. The Sun would go dark. And without the Sun's energy, life on Earth would be impossible. But quantum weirdness doesn't stop at the Sun. Its influence extends to our own planet as well. Here on Earth, our planet's internal heat, the energy that drives volcanic activity and keeps the Earth's core molten, has a surprising quantum connection. Is partly powered by radioactive decay deep below the surface. This decay process releases energy in the form of heat, contributing significantly to the Earth's geothermal activity, and you guessed it, the process of radioactive decay itself relies on the principles of quantum mechanics. Quantum tunneling plays a starring role here too. It's the key that unlocks the energy stored within atomic nuclei. It lets particles escape atomic nuclei despite energy barriers, allowing them to break free and initiate the decay process, releasing heat that slowly bubbles up from the Earth's core. This heat drives plate tectonics, fuels volcanoes, and shapes the Earth's surface over millions of years. And now let's zoom right in to life itself, to the intricate processes that keep us alive and functioning. Every time you breathe, move, or think, every action, every sensation, every thought relies on a complex network of biological processes. Your cells rely on incredibly precise chemical reactions. These reactions are the foundation of all biological activity, enabling everything from muscle contraction to nerve impulse transmission. Many of these reactions, the chemical transformations that occur within our cells, are essential for life, are far too slow if they followed the regular rules of chemistry. If these reactions proceeded at the rate predicted by classical chemistry, life would be impossibly slow. But quantum tunneling lets tiny particles like electrons and protons overcome these limitations, zip through energy barriers, allowing reactions to occur much faster than they otherwise would, making these reactions fast and efficient. This quantum speed boost is essential for life as we know it. Without quantum tunneling, the fundamental processes that sustain life would grind to a halt. Life as we know it couldn't exist. Quantum mechanics, therefore, is not just a theoretical concept. It's a fundamental requirement for our very existence. So next time you're gazing at the auroras, mesmerized by their beauty and captivated by their dance, remember, you're witnessing not just the beauty of nature, but a glimpse into the hidden workings of the universe. But the hidden handiwork of quantum physics, a force that shapes everything from the smallest particles to the largest stars, shaping the sun, the earth, and even you. Quantum mechanics is the invisible thread that connects us all, weaving together the fabric of reality. That's the quantum world, a realm of bizarre and counterintuitive phenomena that governs the behavior of matter at its most fundamental level, painting the universe in ways we're only beginning to understand, revealing the hidden connections between the seemingly disparate phenomena that shape our reality. If you are the least bit intrigued by this video, be sure to follow, like, and subscribe to the Enlightenment Project for more enlightenment content.